So I'm about to take these hubcaps off and paint the white and the black. I'm going to paint it a gray, all gray. I'm going to use this paint. I bought it from Home Depot. And after I'm finished with that, I'm going to replace them with those. So it's going to be fun. Probably way more preferable with the tires off and the valve stem out, but we're going to make it work. So I've got most of it. That's with 80 grit sandpaper by hand. I'm going to go to probably 120. But I'm not going to paint the inside where the hubcap's going to cover. I'm going to try to take that off really well to make it look pretty good, but it'll be covered up by the hubcap. I'm just going to go, like I said, 120. Do a couple rounds and maybe go to 220. Just make sure everything's smooth, because let's use paint. If it's not smooth, you're going to be able to see it. So it's pretty good. Just want to make sure make sure there's no like lumps and stuff, like I said. So my purpose for this is not to get it down to the bare metal, just to make sure it's roughed up really well and any chips or anything like that is taken care of. I'm gonna use some acetone to clean it up and prep it for paint, and then start taking everything off and painting it. Yeah, I'd suggest just taking the tires off and valve stems and just say screw all this, but all right. So I'm going to very carefully take off the tape, that way it doesn't pull up any paint. There's a couple of spots that I'm going to let, after it dries, I'm going to sand it down just a teeny bit and add some more paint to it. I cleaned it with acetone, but for some reason it's not wanting to take. That's all she wrote. It looks 5,000 times better. Man, yeah. Just make sure you know you wipe it down really well with acetone after you're done. I don't know if maybe I missed that spot over there. I'll kind of mess with it later after it fully cures. But man, what a world of difference. Yeah, if you got any questions, put them in the comments. Like the video and subscribe. Thanks.